All right, can we get the drum roll, please? Look at this Ferrari for kids, guys. Look how amazing it is. What a beautiful design. Beautiful lines, LED lighting, a rear diffuser, all the Ferrari badges that you could expect. We got the rims, we got the Ferrari brakes. We have the scissor doors. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Check it out, guys. We got the Ferrari steering wheel, and guess what? That is actually lighting up. Your speedometer dash. Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a Ferrari. This Ferrari just came out. It's actually brand new on Amazon, and I decided to do a little treat for my kids and actually get them one. And we're over here on a really nice, beautiful day. This is a perfect day to actually go riding outside, and we chose to be in a tennis court because it's nice and soft and nice and kind of like steady and safe for the kids. So the Ferrari there I got, guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today, and I'm going to be putting it together, and we're going to have the kids ride it, and actually we're going to give our review to you guys and make sure you will know the information before you buy one, in case you guys decide to buy one. If you do want to buy the similar type of Ferrari that's kind of like in the description, I'm going to have a link in the description below to the basically to Amazon listing where you could actually get one. So let's get started. Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In this video, we're going to be assembling this Ferrari. And if you're actually getting ready to buy one, guys, this is actually very easy to assemble. We assembled the entire thing with no instruction. However, we're giving you guys all the instructions in this video how to assemble this car. The only thing you could see, we got the whole package closed over here with the instruction booklet. So let's see what we're missing. So inside, oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is a treat. This is a treat right here. Look at this. Guys, you know what this is? This is a remote control for parents to control the kids or your dog. If you bought this for your dog, you can control your dog. If you bought this for your baby, you could strap him in. There's seat belts inside, and you could control your baby. Give him the fun of his life. Give him the ride of his life. Jason, isn't it excited? If you're going to be driving this car, Kevin could be controlling you. If Kevin's going to be riding, you're going to control him. Isn't it exciting? You're going to choose where he's going to turn his car. All right. So we're going to need some batteries. Looks like there's just double A's. Let's see if they're included. Let's first set this remote down. Pull the instruction manual out. Looks like we got the music. Hey guys, looks like we have a baggie here. This is the music type of cable. This is if you have a smartphone or an iPod device, you could actually plug this in, listen to music. And we have some, looks like some supplies, baby supplies. I don't know what this is, but maybe it's some glue. Maybe if something falls off, I don't know. Let's see what's inside. We got the charging cable. Look at that, we got the charging cable. And guess what, guys? Here is where the charging cable goes. Look at this. Come over here, guys. Look, a fuel tank. Looks like you got a Tesla. And you plug it in over here, and you plug it into your port, and you charge it along with your Tesla. How about that? If you have a Tesla at home, it's electric. This is an electric Ferrari for your kids. Jason, aren't you excited? Okay. Hey guys, so let's get ready to open this box up. And we'll see what's inside. All right, upon opening it up, we have this cardboard box protecting the car. It looks like most of it is already assembled. We have, looks like the windshield over here. We're gonna just place the parts over here. Wow. Here's the rest of the car. I must say, guys, this is about the best design and like how heavy it is, and I could feel that it's such a quality car that I've ever seen, guys. So let's go ahead and assemble it over here. Okay, let's get the rest of this plastics. All right, what do we have next? We have the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and actually pull the steering wheel out of the bubble wrap. Look at this, a real Ferrari steering wheel that you could remove so nobody takes your car. So let's go ahead and set this aside. Oh wow, we have the leather seat. Guys, have you ever seen a leather seat for a kid's car? Wow, that's like so amazing. Soft leather too, that's awesome. We have the rims and the tires. Wow, there they are. Let's open up the windscreen. Check this out, guys. Tinted windshield. Awesome. Oh, that's a fuel tank and a charging port. That's awesome. We have the manual and parts inside. Let's set this aside. We have one more rim. Jason, you could open them up. And then put the bubble wrap inside. And look at that, guys. Even with Brembo brakes, well, the Ferrari brakes, but you know the Brembo. Okay, let's put the wheels over here. We got the Ferrari stickers. That's for a little bit later. We're not going to be putting on any stickers right now. Looks like Ferrari rear pieces. Well, it looks like Jason knows where the steering wheel goes. Look at that, guys. I can't believe like the attention to detail, such high quality parts too. Wow, amazing.
It's right here. Yeah.
All right, we will use this bag. We're gonna use this bag for further protection. And now let's go ahead, close the doors. They actually close, like they actually lock themselves. So now. All right, guys, here are all the parts in question. We got the steering wheel right here. We got the windshield. We got the leather seat. Look how beautiful it is. RASTAR brand. And then we got this beautiful Ferrari over here with its wheels. Everything in place. And here are the rear pieces. Here we have a bag of tools and stuff to use. Look at that Ferrari badge. Beautiful diffuser. Nice LED lighting. Everything lights up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Don't you want to be a kid right now? Look, you even got the doors that actually lift up. They're locked right now, but you basically, the doors actually work and they lift up. And then they close down. So we got the scissor doors or butterfly doors, whatever you want to call them. Look at that. Beautiful. Jason, let's lift that door up. Lift it up. Here, you can open it. You have to press that button. Now lift it up. We got the carbon fiber trim. on the inside, carbon fiber dash, honeycomb flooring. You got the pedal right there. Here's the battery box and all the cables. And this is the seat release. Here we have the charging port, beautifully hidden. And then we have some controls over here, all kinds of stuff. We got the forward, we got the D1, D2, reverse. Really nice. We got the engine start button. And let's do one more observation. Amazing. A dream car for adults, a reality for kids. So we're gonna be using this cardboard to flip it on its back so we could actually assemble all the wheels, and we're not gonna get it scratched. Okay, so let's see if we could figure out which tires are for the back, which ones for the rear. Can you guess, guys? Let's look at the tires, let's compare them. So it looks like we have these pieces here. Hey guys, the tires, they look very same, but they actually very different. These are the rear tires that's got the big bolt pattern right here. And here's the release button. So you basically press the button on and you can just basically just snap them on like that. They're not gonna go on. Then we're gonna put that.
It's not supposed to snap. So it's supposed to.
Okay, this one snapped in. This one's good.
This is good.
All right, here we go. So guys, right now we're basically assembling this whole car without using any of the instructional stuff. Obviously there's an on button and an off button. We got the horn button over here. We have the electronic display that's over here. So kind of wondering how that's all gonna work. But I'm wondering if I could just simply insert the steering wheel and like have it snap in or something. I really don't know that. So it looks like we have a release button over here. So that's pretty much on right there. So wow, it looks like they're really doing this simple. So underneath over here we got the battery box. Looks like we need to connect this wire here. That is on. Basically you could remove this plastic piece just in case. Let's test it, see if it's actually running. Hold on. Okay, so that's actually working. Okay, let's install the seat. Seat has seat belts, so you want to make sure.
So cute.
Okay, so we're going to need to install the seat by adjusting this front pieces first, and then we're gonna snap it in over here. It looks like we need to get this, make sure the seat belt is out. Okay, so make sure you strap in. I mean, you are riding a Ferrari after all. So let's take care of the windshield. So it looks like it's just simply insert it in the front, adjust it, and then you're gonna need to come in over here and push these tabs in like that. So the windshield on. Like wow, we assembled most of the car. We haven't even used anything in the bag. So it looks like we have more pieces there, but let's see what these are right here. So it looks like these are the wings. Jason, is it fun? Oh man, look at that. We haven't charged up the battery, guys. This is not a battery power that it's actually came with in the box. So it is charged out of the box. Jason got the butterfly doors up. That's the way he likes to ride it. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.